Have you ever wondered how to track someone's real time location using just their mobile number? Whether it is for ensuring the safety of your loved ones or staying connected, this method will show you how to do it quickly and easily. Grab the phone of the person whose real time location you want to track. Open the Google Maps app on their phone. Tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu, choose the option for location sharing. Once the location sharing is set, choose the message option, enter your own phone number and send the live location link directly to yourself. Open the link on your phone to access their real-time location. You will now be able to track them whenever you need. And that's it. It's as simple as following these steps to get access to someone's live location. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.